Let's cut the intro and go straight into the books. Book number 1 is Confessions of an Advertising Man by David Ogilvy. This one is a classic, but seems some other entrepreneurs have forgotten about it. In fact, Warren Buffett regards David Ogilvy as the best advertiser and copywriter. His book provides invaluable insights into the world of advertising and marketing, which is one of the most important aspects of business. The book focuses on helping entrepreneurs understand the importance of creating effective and honest ads that resonate with their target audience. Buffett himself has even used some of his techniques in his own shareholder letters for Berkshire Hathaway. So here are 3 key takeaways from the book. Number 1 is the consumer is not a moron. Ogilvy strongly believes that the consumer is intelligent and should be treated with respect. Ads should be honest, informative, and cater to the needs and preferences of the customers, which seems to be the complete opposite of what some people are doing nowadays. Don't try to deceive or manipulate your audience with false promises or exaggerated claims. These things might work on the short term but hurts your business long term. So instead, focus on building trust and credibility by delivering valuable information that genuinely benefits your customers. Key takeaway number 2 is research is crucial. Ogilvy emphasized the importance of conducting thorough research before launching any campaign. This means understanding your product and target audience inside out. Identify your ideal customer, their demographics, interests, and main pain points. One mental framework some e-commerce experts use is instead of looking for a winning product, look for a winning audience. You can find a good audience first and find a product for them later. Also, analyze your competition to learn what works and what doesn't. Use surveys, interviews, and other research methods to gather valuable insights that can guide your marketing strategy. By doing your homework, you'll be better prepared to create effective ads that resonate with your target audience and yield positive results. And takeaway number 3 is to keep it simple. Your message should be clear, concise, and easy to understand. Avoid using jargon or overly complicated language that can alienate your audience. Instead, focus on crafting a compelling narrative that conveys your message in a simple and reliable manner. Use visuals, storytelling, and emotional appeals to engage your audience and make your ads more memorable. Remember, an ad that can be easily understood and remembered is more likely to inspire action and drive results. By applying these principles from the book, you can improve your advertising and marketing efforts, better connect with your customers, and ultimately achieve greater success in your online entrepreneurial ventures. Book number 2, The Almanac of Naval Ravikant by Eric Jorgensen. Naval Ravikant is a successful entrepreneur, angel investor, and thought leader in the world of startups and technology that probably most of you already know. His book, The Almanac of Naval Ravikant, is a compilation of his thoughts on wealth, happiness, and life, offering valuable guidance for online entrepreneurs, but also everyone in general. Here are 3 important highlights from the book. Number 1 is that building wealth is a learnable skill. Naval emphasizes that anyone can become wealthy by developing the right mindset, skills, and habits. To achieve financial success, focus on cultivating a strong work ethic, embracing lifelong learning, and continuously improving your skills. Networking and surrounding yourself with like-minded individuals can also contribute to your own growth, both personally and professionally. Remember, building wealth is a journey that requires patience, persistence, and dedication. Takeaway number 2 is focus on leverage. Naval underscores the importance of using leverage to multiply your efforts and achieve exponential results. Leverage can come in various forms such as capital, labor, or technology. For example, using software to automate repetitive tasks, hiring a team to scale your business, or leveraging social media platforms to reach a wider audience can help you grow faster and more efficiently. Always be on the lookout for opportunities to optimize your efforts and create leverage within your business. And takeaway number 3 is to learn from your mistakes. Embrace failures as learning experiences and use them to grow and evolve. Mistakes are inevitable, especially in the world of entrepreneurship, but they provide valuable lessons that can shape your future success. By adopting a growth mindset and viewing setbacks as opportunities to learn, you can develop resilience and become a better entrepreneur. Also, do not be afraid to seek feedback and learn from the experiences of others, as their insights can help you avoid common pitfalls and achieve your goals more quickly. So by incorporating these insights from Naval into your entrepreneurial journey, you can develop a strong foundation for success, both in your business and personal life. Because as he says, wealth and happiness are attainable goals when you approach them with the right mindset, skills, and habits. Book number 3 is Poor Charlie's Almanac by Charlie Munger. Poor Charlie's Almanac is a collection of wisdom, insights, and philosophies of Charlie Munger, the vice chairman of Berkshire Hathaway and Warren Buffett's longtime business partner. Although this book covers a wide range of topics, we'll focus on 3 key takeaways that are particularly relevant to you. Number 1 is the importance of multidisciplinary thinking. Munger emphasizes the value of developing a broad understanding of various disciplines, as this can lead to better decision-making and problem-solving. By acquiring knowledge in diverse fields such as psychology, economics, history, and mathematics, you can develop a latticework of mental models that can be used to analyze complex situations and make more informed decisions. This multidisciplinary approach can give you a competitive edge in the ever-evolving world of online entrepreneurship. Takeaway number 2 is understanding cognitive biases. Charlie Munger believes that being aware of cognitive biases is crucial for making better decisions in both business and personal life. Cognitive biases are systematic errors in thinking that can lead to irrational behavior and poor decision making. By recognizing and overcoming these biases, you can improve your judgment, reduce errors, and ultimately become a more effective entrepreneur. He has a list of 25 biases in his book, but that would take like an hour to explain in this video, so buy the book yourself and go research it, because this one might change your entire worldview. And takeaway number 3 is the significance of patience and long-term thinking. In a world that often prioritizes short-term gains and instant gratification, Munger highlights the importance of patience and adopting a long-term perspective. This is something that Charlie has been talking about for decades, even before social media was a thing. So this is even more important nowadays with all these easy distractions we have. Building a successful online business takes time, effort, and perseverance. By focusing on long-term goals and maintaining a steadfast commitment to your vision, you can cultivate the patience and resilience needed to weather setbacks and steadily grow your business over time. So stop getting sidetracked by cheap dopamine. Book number 4 is Skin in the Game by Nassim Taleb. Nassim's book explores the concept of risk-taking and its implications in various aspects of life, including business, politics, and society. For online entrepreneurs, this book offers valuable insights into how to navigate risk and uncertainty in the digital world. Here are some expanded key takeaways. Number 1, the importance of having skin in the game, as the title suggests. Taleb argues that when people have something at stake, they are more likely to make better decisions and be held accountable for their actions. In the context of online entrepreneurship, having skin in the game means investing your time, energy, and resources into your business. By doing so, you demonstrate commitment and signal to others that you believe in your product or service. This not only builds trust with your customers and partners, but it also pushes you to continuously learn, adapt, and make better decisions to protect and grow your investment. Takeaway number 2 is asymmetric risk and reward. Taleb emphasizes the importance of understanding asymmetry between risk and reward, especially in entrepreneurship. When evaluating business opportunities, look for situations where the potential upside is significantly greater than the downside. This means finding ventures with limited potential losses but substantial potential gains. For online entrepreneurs, this might involve launching a new product or service, entering a new market, or experimenting with a novel marketing strategy. By embracing asymmetric risk, you can increase your chances of success while minimizing the impact of failure. And last takeaway number 3, be anti-fragile. Taleb already had a book on anti-fragility, which goes beyond resilience and robustness, but he revisits the idea in this new book and builds on top of it. Anti-fragile systems not only withstand shocks and stress, but actually benefit from them. In the world of online entrepreneurship, being anti-fragile means continuously adapting and evolving your business in response to changing market conditions, customer preferences, and technological advancements. This can involve experimenting with new ideas, learning from failures, and leveraging feedback to refine and improve your products or services. By cultivating an anti-fragile mindset, you can turn challenges and setbacks into opportunities for growth and innovation. By incorporating these principles from Nassim's book, you can better navigate risks and uncertainties, make more informed decisions, and build a more resilient and adaptable business. And last book number 5 is 0 to 1 by Peter Thiel. Peter is the co-founder of PayPal and a renowned venture capitalist. He offers valuable insights and advice for aspiring entrepreneurs looking to create truly innovative businesses. The book explores the importance of thinking differently and shares practical lessons for building successful startups. Here are some expanded key takeaways for online entrepreneurs. Number 1, create something new. He emphasizes the importance of developing unique products or services that offer significant value to customers. Rather than trying to compete in saturated markets, focus on identifying untapped opportunities and creating something truly innovative. This can involve solving a problem that hasn't been addressed before, improving on existing solutions, or finding new ways to deliver value to customers. By creating something new and differentiated, you can carve out a niche and position yourself for long-term success. Takeaway number 2 is focus on a small niche market. He advises entrepreneurs to start by targeting a small specific market with a strong need for their product or service. By focusing on a niche market, you can more effectively tailor your offering to the unique needs of your customers and establish a strong brand presence. Once you've achieved a dominant position in your initial market, you can then expand into adjacent markets and grow your business over time. This targeted approach can help you build a loyal customer base and create a strong foundation for growth. And takeaway number 3, cultivate a long-term vision. He stresses the importance of having a long-term vision for your business and developing a clear strategy to achieve it. This involves setting ambitious goals, identifying the key milestones and resources required, and continuously refining your approach based on market feedback and changing conditions. By maintaining a long-term perspective, you can avoid getting caught up in short-term distractions and focus on the activities that will drive lasting success for your business. So by applying these insights from Peter's book to your online entrepreneurial journey, you can develop innovative products or services, target niche markets, and cultivate a long-term vision for success. These principles can help you build a strong foundation for your business and navigate the challenges and opportunities that come with the ever-evolving world of online entrepreneurship. So these are the 5 books, and I hope that you read them and find them useful as I did. Now, you can try to figure out how to make money online on your own, but if you want to go straight to the right answer and learn literally the best method that exists out there as of right now that's helping complete beginners go from $0 to $1,000 a day without any previous experience, click the link in the description to sign up for this week's free workshop, and you'll learn how you can start earning a sizable income online as fast as possible. So click the link in the description now.